This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 4868 electronically. First, understand that Form 4868 is an application for an automatic 6-month extension of time to file your U.S. individual income tax return. Filing electronically is the most efficient method, ensuring your request is processed quickly and securely. This guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward and stress-free. Before you begin, gather essential information. You'll need your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number and the specific tax year for which you are requesting the extension. It's also crucial to estimate your total tax liability and any payments you've already made. While the extension is for filing, not paying, an accurate estimate helps avoid potential penalties. Having these details ready streamlines the electronic submission. To submit your extension, you can use IRS-free file if your income qualifies or your chosen tax software. Navigate to the section for filing an extension, typically Form 4868. Carefully enter the required information, including your estimated tax liability. Once reviewed, submit the form electronically. If you anticipate owing tax, remember to make your payment by the original deadline to avoid interest and penalties, even with an extension to file. Remember, filing Form 4868 grants you more time to file your return, but not more time to pay any taxes you owe. You must still pay your estimated tax liability by the original deadline to avoid penalties and interest. If you're looking for a great way to relax after tax season, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other deals, in the description below. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.